My $100 challenge business is called Crafts for a Cause. What is Crafts for a Cause? Crafts for a Cause sells handmade, one-of-a-kind beaded jewelry and crocheted items, such as beanies, pot holders, and headbands. The purpose of the business is to raise funds for Kiva.org to help entrepreneurs in need. Hence the name Crafts for a Cause. The marketing process. I created a catalog, which you see here, of my products and used direct marketing and a door-to-door type concept to sell my products. I sold my products at work, at my husband's work, which is an assisted living home, and to family and neighbors. Customers filled out order forms, and once a product was purchased, it was crossed off the catalog to prevent people from accidentally ordering the same thing. Packaging the products. I used minimal packaging for sustainability reasons and included a business card with each product that listed the business name and my email. This top left picture shows my catalog at my work next to the employee lunch table. I couldn't constantly be on hand to talk to customers, so I left the catalog and an explanation where everyone would see it. The other pictures are some of my customers receiving their purchases. And here's my financial report. Because I made my own products with items that I already had on hand, my $20 startup cost was used to provide change for anyone who placed an order using cash. I received the $20 startup cost from my Pell Grant. Crafts for a Cause earned $185 in profits. I stocked out of headbands and almost stocked out of pot holders. Beanies were very popular as well. Things I would have done differently. As you can see in this photo, I only allowed space for one product on the order form. Some of the customers ordered more than one product, so I should have allowed space for several products to be ordered. I also think I could have sold more had I posted my catalog on Facebook and sold to local friends. I don't have a car to make deliveries with, so I chose not to do this. Room for growth. I believe the business could be expanded by offering crocheted washcloths and hand towels to match the pot holders. I also think taking custom orders based on color and design may add to the business. Products could be further marketed at farmers markets and holiday bazaars and online through social media or company websites. If Crafts for a Cause is marketed online, it will be necessary to find a reliable delivery service. Thank you.